Horizontal system and controls. The horizontal controls include a position knob to adjust the horizontal position of your signal. This can be used to best position the area of interest for the signal you have acquired. For example, if you are mostly concerned about events leading up to the trigger, you can use the position knob to move the trigger to the far right of the display. The scale knob adjusts the sweep speed of the scope. Turning the scale knob counterclockwise will slow the sweep time down for slow signals, and turning it clockwise will speed up the sweep time for faster signals. Adjusting these two controls will allow you to optimize the scope and display to show the detail needed to properly analyze signals of interest. The horizontal menu button is used to enable delayed sweep, as well as 3 different sweep modes. They include XT, XY, and roll. Let's look at some signals to illustrate these capabilities. Here we have a pulse with some ringing. We can use the scale knob to optimize the sweep time, and then the position knob to see areas of interest. We can effectively zoom in on a signal by selecting delayed sweep. Delayed sweep can be selected using the horizontal menu button. Another way of selecting it is to push the scale knob. With delayed sweep enabled, you will now notice 2 versions of the signal. The top half of the display shows the signal as first acquired, but now there is a narrow section framed by blue blocks. This narrow section of signal is what's shown in the lower trace after being expanded to fill the display. You can now use the position control to look at areas of interest. Three time-based modes are available in the horizontal menu. The most commonly used one is YT, or voltage over time. This is the mode we've been using up to this point. The second choice is XY. In XY mode, you can have one signal drive the X-axis and another signal drive the Y-axis. Using this mode, you can analyze phase relationships between signals. So we'll go ahead and push menu, and we'll change our time base to XY. And now you can see a phase relationship between channel 1 and channel 2. The third time-based choice is roll mode. Roll mode does not wait for a trigger or for memory to be filled before the signal is displayed. The signal will roll from right to left of the display. This can be very effective for finding very slow asynchronous events. Here we have a pulse that's difficult to show in YT mode, since it's so slow and doesn't happen very often. Switching to roll mode, we can now easily see the event. As you become more familiar with the horizontal system and controls, you'll be able to more effectively acquire and analyze your designs and prototypes.